Listen, please. Where are you taking me?
Jail.
For what?
Battery on a minor.
You're gonna find out.
We'll find out what.
You know who I am. My parents work for the government.
Okay.
You have no idea.
A day at the South Florida Fair took an unexpected turn on January 29th in West Palm Beach, Florida, when an argument between a 30-year-old woman and an 11-year-old child escalated into a physical confrontation. Investigators say the woman became upset during the dispute before allegedly grabbing the child and shouting in front of other fairgoers. Witnesses quickly stepped in as the confrontation unfolded, prompting deputies to investigate the incident.
Supposedly she was walking back from the bathroom to get back in line with her sister. They went to walk back in the line, so she walked around this girl to get to her sister, and that girl grabbed her arm.
Okay.
You see how upset she is by car.
All right, so just raise your right hand for me. Okay, you swear and affirm the statement you're going to provide me as the whole truth. So can you just from the start just tell me what happened?
So my dad, we were coming over here to walk faster so we could go to my sister and her boyfriend. And then he asked the other person of the person who works around. He asked the other one who's at the exit, and he asked him, "Can I go skip so I could go to my cousin, my sister's boyfriend, and her?" And then my dad told me to go around. I go around, and then it's a girl. She grabbed me by my hand, and then she pulled me back, and she said, "I can't skip the line." She kept saying it and screaming at me.
Okay. Now, when she grabbed you, how did she grab you?
She grabbed me like this because I didn't know who grabbed me. I look around. It's just a girl who grabbed me, and her parents told her to stop because they told her to stop screaming at me, and I was scared.
Okay. And the girl that grabbed you, what did she look like?
She had glasses and a phone on her hand, and she was wearing black, fully black jacket and her black pants.
Okay.
Did you witness everything? Did you see everything? Do you want to be a witness and go to court?
Not really.
Okay. All right.
It's just a little girl who got pushed around.
Yeah, I understand.
But yeah.
So she got grabbed and pulled.
West Palm Beach police find the 30-year-old suspect waiting in line for another ride.
So, walk that way.
No, don't take my
Don't
phone.
touch me. You're gonna get a felony
Why are you grabbing me, son?
because you grabbed the little girl.
No, I didn't. Please
How much
stop,
I had?
stop. Please don't do this in front of people.
Oh, you want to be? Oh, please don't do that.
Dad, please don't. Please, no.
It's all on video. I recorded the whole thing, dog.
In the desert,
Please.
bastards. Absolutely no sense.
Let's take a video of this. Take a video of this.
Please video it. It's hilarious.
Take a video. I'm not. Please let me go. Please stop. Take a video of this. Please stop. Please stop.
Stop what?
I'm not resisting.
Walk there.
Okay, so maybe you can let me go. I am drunk. I'm drunk.
That's fine. No, stop doing that.
You're hurting me.
Walk.
Please slow down. Please slow down. I cannot keep up with you. I'm 4'8".
Because you're walking backwards. Walk
I
forward.
can. Okay.
There you go.
Please. Please help me out here. Please help me. Please. I'm not resisting.
I never said you were.
Okay, so can we stop?
No.
Stop me to the side. Please. Please have some decency. Please have some decency, sir. I can't walk. No, I'm not.
You're doing great. Just walk forward.
You're pushing me. You're pushing me.
No, you're leaning backwards. If you just walk like a... There you go. Wow, there we go.
You're pushing me.
No, we're pushing you.
You're hurting me. You're hurting my arm.
Oh.
They're hurting me.
Say it louder.
They're hurting me. They're hurting me. I have little legs. Please slow down. Listen, please. Where are you taking me?
Jail.
For what?
Battery on a minor.
Battery.
Do you know what battery is?
Yeah, like as if it's a child.
Well, you're not...
You know that's not true.
Well, yeah, you
Please,
touched
can you
someone
just-
who didn't want to be touched.
No. You are holding my arm. I cannot feel.
He's holding your arm.
Not holding your
Your hand.
I can feel it.
Your hands are cuffed behind your back. He's holding your arm so
Yeah,
that if you
but,
fall, you can't catch
He,
yourself.
I can't.
So we
He's
gotta make.
holding my arm. So pull.
With force?
Sir, it's okay. I'm just letting you know.
Oh, I'm not doing that. Like you said, your hand.
You're holding my arm. I cannot feel a pulse.
Can't feel a pulse?
He's barely
Maybe
touching you. I
because
can see it from
your
here.
hand
Yeah, well, I can feel on this side.
on that side?
Yes, sir.
That's weird.
Okay.
Please let go.
I'm not gonna let go.
I'm handcuffed.
When you try to run away?
I'm
And
handcuffed.
you fall, that's gonna be on me. I can't let you go.
Yeah, no, that's.
Not gonna happen.
Why am I going to jail?
I wasn't part of the investigation, so I can't answer that.
According to what
Let
you said,
go of me.
Stop.
touch somebody.
You
that did
need
not want
to
be touched.
stop.
That's battery.
Stop. Don't pull away.
I have walked. I have walked.
So did I.
Excuse me. Stop
So did
talking.
I. So did I.
I have walked
So did I.
with the other officer.
Okay.
Okay? I have walked with the other officer at the whole time. And he won't let go of my arm on this side.
Right. He's not supposed to.
Yeah, but the other officer, I cannot feel my arm. Look.
You're moving your arm just fine.
No, look at my wrist.
Okay, that's fine.
I can see.
Well, if you stop moving, I can look at your wrist.
Look at both of them.
Okay,
look
that's
at
fine.
both.
That's perfect.
This
Exactly
side.
Exactly
This
what
side is
okay,
not.
that's fine. Just stay still.
Let go of me. This guy needs to let go of me.
Just one of her face. Got it.
This one did that. No, I'm not. No.
That'll work. Step up.
Oh.
Why is that?
Everything's gonna be okay.
Yes.
Everything's gonna be okay.
How could you let this guy?
Take the cuff off. Yeah, just redo it.
How could you let this man right there?
What did I do?
Him.
Who's him?
How could you let him?
Who's him?
You're gonna find out.
We'll find out what.
You know who I am. My parents work for the government.
Oh.
You have no idea. You're gonna find out who your partner is.
You ever been in trouble before?
This one bought like 3 bags of popcorn.
Yes, I have, sir.
You live down in Boca?
Yes, I
Oh,
do.
I've dealt
Let
with
me tell you something.
You get a name yet?
You!
Hey.
You let me go.
Remember when you were my son?
No, please. How can you
And we
do
arrested her
that?
like 3 times at
What's your name?
the bar at Palmetto and Power Line.
Hey,
remember?
You can take it off.
That's a one corner.
Yes.
You think I would a child?
You fooled me.
Oh, please. Just don't let that man. Yeah, you. Oh, my God. God sees everything. David Cornell.
Yeah. So she grabbed her by her right arm, pulled her back,
Help
and
me.
then she got scared and ran back
Help
to
me.
mom.
I'm
Okay.
just so scared
Perfect.
for my life. I'm scared for my life. Help me.
Okay.
Help me.
Awesome.
There's
And then the
fucking
victim's name is
cameras
what?
in the car. There's cameras in the car. Please help me. Help me. Help. Help.
Okay. And dispatch labeled them, right? J. All right, perfect. I got it.
Help
All right,
me.
thanks, brother.
Take me to the hospital.
right.
Take me to the hospital.
Thank you.
Take me to the hospital. Help me.
Can you
Help me.
stop?
Help me. Help me. I'm tired. Help me. Help me.
Following the investigation, the woman was arrested and charged with child abuse-related and battery-related offenses. Court records show she was released after posting a $3,000 bond, and the case remains pending as it moves through the legal process. Authorities have not announced any additional updates at this time. Want to watch more videos like this one? Click the one on the screen now.